Hello guys and welcome to something called Robbery 2 Double Trouble. Now as you can see, I completed the levels all to the 6th level. Now why? It is because I want to complete all from 1st level to 6th level, but the video was 16 seconds and it was so long and it couldn't be posted on YouTube, so I'm just gonna start playing again. Yeah.
What the?
Alright. This time I'm gonna make the video a little bit more smaller to not be very big like the previous one, but it could be possible because it was so long. So yeah, let's begin. Which part of you thought it would be a good idea to run head first through my daughter's wedding?
Laying a banana.
I'm Don Cannellani, boss of the Cannellani family. Do you have any idea the amount of the trouble that puts you in?
Bob DeBarino.
Hi, my name is Robbery Bob. I'm terribly sorry about the mess, Mr. Cannellani, but I swear it was an accident. Don't tell me you're innocent. It insults my intelligence and makes me very angry.
Boogie Wowsy.
Innocent? I don't know even the meaning of the word innocent. Let me make it simple. Repair my daughter's wedding or you'll be sleeping with fishes.
Monster to kill.
Fishes? Oh, I got it. Alright, let's do it. Yeah. We have a run button over there to run. We have some loot to grab. We also need to be careful for the camera to not spot us, and we need to make it on top. And not only for the camera to spot us, the citizens too. I did not expect you literally bring me a fish, but I appreciate the sentiment nevertheless. I'll let the missus know that dinner is on me. Yeah. I'm really sorry because that video couldn't be posted. I'm really sorry. Now I'm gonna make this video a little bit smaller, not big. Tell you what, Bob, as much as I want to wring your neck for ruining my daughter's wedding, I can see your pilfering potential. Thank you. Show me what else you can do. Alright, old man. I'm gonna grab Toxic Donut anyways. Alright. Oh my god. She almost sold me. I mean, she could, but he didn't. Yeah, now you need to open the store very heavy. You stole the pants right off their legs? Color me impressed. I'll have you know I graduated with top marks. You went to some kind of thief college or something?
Bob DeBarino.
Not exactly, but I have a closet full of diplomas. Alright. 3 stars! Yeah, baby! Alright, we're in 3rd level. Let's do it.
Boogie Wowsy.
All this running around sure is making me hungry. Me too, and the wedding guests will be too unless there's food there. Someone told me that Gordon Ramsay is in town, and I would love to serve his world-famous seagulls too at the reception. Alright, now let's just wait for the spring to come down because dog will chase us. Oh shit. Yeah. We got what we wanted. Alright, now we need to wait for this woman to get passed through. I'm gonna try to make it on 6th level to 6th level again. But this time
Monster eat a kid.
this smells really yummy. But this time, as fast as I can to make the 6th, because I have a Mobison channel for recording, and Mobison can only take 15 minutes, and that video was 16 minutes, so it couldn't be posted.
Monster eat a kid.
Alright, I'm not gonna read this because it's gonna take so long and you guys are gonna wait while I read it, so I'm just not gonna read it. I'm just gonna oh shit. I'm just gonna not gonna read it because you probably know what they say, so whatever, let's go. Yeah, I watched a video. You can throw a toxic donut to the officers and they'll fart. Oh my gosh, damn it. Whatever, let's do it again. Alright. You see, I'm running because I'm trying to make this faster. Alright, now let's wait for him to go here too. Alright. Now let's wait for this guy. Yeah. Wireless modem.
Happy Reno.
Shut up. Yeah. Alright. We're in 5th level. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, now let's wait for these lasers. So, because I need to be unseen if I want to have 3-star level. And because I want to get that loot over there. Oh damn it! That sound scared me because I didn't even expected it. Yeah. Come on. Next time I better don't get in those lasers. Oh my gosh. First time I lose. So this is our 5th level, right? Alright. I hope I can make it to 6th level. Because as I can see on the minutes, we are in 9 minutes, but this can only take 15 minutes. So I hope it won't take that much to beat. So yeah, it couldn't work last time. It took so long because I was reading what are they saying, but now when I'm not reading, that's alright. Yeah, I don't know how to not make this officer to not spot me. So yeah. Hey man, teleport.
Let's read the queue.
Goodbye, baby. Woo! That was really funny. Alright. We have 2 stars. Yeah, trust me, I can make it to 6th level.
Bawani.
Monthly to care.
Ling a mananum.
Alright, so now we wind up toy. I'm not gonna use these things, but I'm just picking them for just in case. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Old man. Now let's wait. Yeah. You go there. Yeah. Now he will press the button. Achievement unlocked. Button masher. Push 25 buttons.
Boogie Wowsy.
Right in the Nugima. Bawani.
I'm sorry, but I didn't smash that button. Yeah, alright. I told you I'm gonna make it. Make it to 6th level. Yeah, whatever. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe, like, and see you all in the next episode. And I'm really terribly sorry about because the first video couldn't be posted. Goodbye, guys.